Oh my god! What was that?
If I had to summarize the Voltron in one word, that word would have been wow. And these are a few reasons why. The Voltron has 7 inversions. The roller coaster has a total of 3 launches. One ride in the Voltron lasts approximately 3 minutes. The Voltron really has perfect feel. And I will now tell you a bit more about these points. You are probably thinking right now, the Voltron has 7 inversions. I'm not going into this because it makes me very nauseous. But trust me, that is not the case. As I said, the Voltron has 3 launches, which makes it even more spectacular. Of course, I am now going to give you some explanation about the 3 launches. Launch 1 is, in my opinion, the most fun launch of the roller coaster because it is the steepest launch in the world. Launch 2. This launch feels more like just an extra acceleration. Launch 3. This launch starts backwards, which also makes it feel super intense. So the Voltron also lasts about 3 minutes, which is nice because it allows you to enjoy your ride for a long time. The Voltron has such beautiful decoration like the entrance building, the effects on the walls, Nikola Tesla, and the Tesla coils that can make a lot of noise. And there are a few extra points that make this roller coaster super cool, such as the gravity you feel on every hill, the wait time that is almost never longer than 30 minutes, and the security system for your backpacks or other loose items. Now I'm going to show you an on-ride of this roller coaster.
Oh my god! What the hell just happened? Oh my god! What was that? Oh my! It's so intense! Oh my god! Oh, second launch! Oh my god! They've created an absolute monster! Oh my god! Oh! Oh! Where are we going? I was not expecting that! Oh my god!
The construction of the Voltron did not go as smoothly as planned. The roller coaster was supposed to open and did open in March 2024. However, due to too many technical malfunctions, the roller coaster closed and reopened 1 month later in April 2024. A few months before the opening of the Voltron, a 4D film was made in the Europa Park cinema near the main entrance of the park. I was in Europa Park at the time too, so I saw the film. But it wasn't that fun because they might have made it a bit too realistic. Because every time electricity was released in the film, you also got an electric shock that you would feel for a whole week. The film lasted about 30 minutes. And it was about the story of the Voltron that I am going to tell you now. Everything revolves around the brilliant inventor Nikola Tesla. According to the story, Tesla's in a Croatian village where he is working on revolutionary experiments with electricity. He wants to achieve something incredible, to make energy so powerful that people can move like lightning. But he does not do this alone. Tesla receives help from the mysterious Adventure Club of Europe. This is a secret society of explorers that appears in several attractions at Europa Park. Together, they attempt to usher in a new era of energy and technology. Their goal: to change the world with electricity. As a visitor, you actually step right into Tesla's experiment. You walk through his laboratory and workshop. You see machines, coils, and power installations. Everything seems on the verge of exploding with power. Then it happens. You become part of the experiment. The roller coaster suggests that you are launched like a lightning bolt by Tesla's installation. The ride has a story during the ride itself. You experience the experiment. Multiple launches equals electrical energy building up. Inversions and strange movements equals unstable experiments. The steep 105 launch equals ultimate energy breakthrough. Everything feels like the machine is just barely under control. Or maybe not at all. You are probably thinking now, why is the roller coaster located in the Croatia area? The roller coaster is located in the Croatian-themed area because Tesla was born there. The entire area is therefore actually a tribute to his inventions and legacy. If you want to see more of these roller coaster videos, be sure to subscribe to this channel Coaster Dial for free.